China pushes pharmaceutical companies to accelerate export of vaccine to Pakistan. 13 people killed and 4 injured during police operation in Philippines. US announces to review Afghan peace deal with Taliban. The United Nations Treaty on Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons has entered into force. Dubai imposes new COVID-19 rules to combat virus spread as numbers grow. Russia detained dozens of Navalny supporters at anti-Putin protest. Denmark had UAE flights for 5 days over COVID-19. Families of Indonesia jet crash victim hold memorial at sea.